What is the deal, YouTube, man? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another POV. We're gonna go ahead and put this in M1 so I ain't gotta shift. But we are finally back home from the hospital, back in the freaking M2. I'm so freaking excited, bro. Whoever knew I was gonna be back in the M2, you know what I'm saying? Who knew that? Not me. So, well, obviously I did. But anyways, man, we are back home from the hospital finally. It was a journey, to say the least. But yeah, we are back home, bro. I am officially a father. I am a dad. It's just, things are a lot different now. I haven't got any freaking sleep, y'all. I am so tired. Like, and when I say so tired, I mean so freaking tired. But it's all worth it, man. I got a handsome son. So it's all worth it. It's just I need to catch up on sleep. I need to make more videos. I'll be really regretting not editing and uploading and posting as much as I can. And I don't know. I don't feel like I'm really applying myself, man. I am, but I'm not. So I'm about to start posting more, editing more, just so we can have a lot of good content, a lot of good videos and everything for y'all to see and for y'all to watch. But it's gonna be like, it's a lot, I ain't gonna lie. Y'all already know I gotta slide this corner too. I wonder what's that way. Should I go that way? Hold on. I low-key can't see, I ain't gonna lie. I'm still gonna slide, cause why not? I'm bored. Nah, I ain't gonna slide. Nah, I am. This thing gets sideways. DSC on. This thing does get sideways, I ain't gonna lie. But I ain't even got my, bro, I left out and I forgot my damn, I ain't even know why I'm cussing. I'm trying to stop cussing because, you know, I got a son now, so he don't need to be hearing all them words. But I forgot my dang on GoPro. So right now we trapping off the phone. I wanted to get alcohol. They don't sell alcohol on Sundays, so it is what it is. I don't know, man. I'm about to go ahead and run to this gas station real quick, and then I'll see you guys in just a little bit. I just gotta, I'll probably pick up the camera tomorrow. Whoa, I was not hitting that pothole, I'll tell you that. I'll probably pick up the camera tomorrow morning, just so that way I can talk to y'all. But right now, this camera got to get put down. All right, y'all. So that last clip that y'all saw, obviously, your boy was off the iPhone. Oh, they got the popo out today. Off the iPhone, man. But now we are off the right cam, and it's no smudge mark like the last video. I'm currently headed to get some fuel in the V because we are currently at a half a tank. And I need to fill up. I just want to fill it up and just be safe. Better be safe than sorry, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to get fuel. Y'all, I know I told y'all the other day I was tired. I'm really tired, y'all. Being a dad is not easy. And it's fine during the day. Yeah, y'all. So I think my son, it's not like, bro, it's cool being a dad. Don't ever get this wrong. But my son, I think he has the nights and the days confused because he will sleep all day, but he will stay up all night. So my schedule is I stay up all night from 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. and then we switch, and then I wake up and I go get food for the fam. Sorry, y'all. I go get food for the fam and make stuff happen, basically. Tomorrow's gonna be a very busy day for me though, because I have to go get his birth certificate. Pretty freaking exciting. Going to pick up my son's birth certificate. Obviously we're gonna get a good video going there tomorrow. And just a couple of other things I gotta do, run some errands. But yeah, right now we are headed to the gas station. I ain't gonna bore y'all because I'm just in traffic. So I'll see y'all when we get there. All right, y'all, we made it to the gas station. I didn't drop the video yet. These are the new grills we installed though. Ooh, looking good. Looking freaking clean on that thing, boy. I didn't do the side skirts yet. I didn't do a lot, bro, because, well, I had a son. So, hey, anyways, man, we are getting fuel.
Shouldn't take much. Probably about to stop right at about $35, I think, because I had about half a tank and it's a 22-gallon tank. $34. I know my car too well, brother. Let's go ahead, put this up. Boom. 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 Clerk has receipt. I have it on my phone. I don't need the clerk. Let's go ahead and let's go pick up our dinner. All right. Seatbelt. Yo, I'll be starting the car in M2. Look at that. We got 250 miles. We only got 2,100 miles on the car. Car barely got any miles on it. Boom. And I like my setup. I like it to look like this. Sport mode. Yeah, I like those displays. Anyway, man, we are going to go grab dinner. We're getting Publix for dinner. A little pub sub. I don't know if y'all ever had that. They be banging. Love a pub sub. They hit on a different type of level. I waited so long to come out, bro. It's 5 o'clock. So it's stupid traffic right now. I mean, stupid traffic. I'm gonna be gritty though. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I'm about to grab Little Caesars too. Oh. Oh my goodness. Literally just was spinning the whole time. Oh my goodness. These tires ain't warm. It's okay. I got driver mod. This road would be fun if it was dry though, I know that. I'm trying to get the content back up for y'all, but I'm not gonna lie, bro, content about to slow down due to the fact that we having a kid, bro. I'll be so tired. And I don't want to bring no low energy vibes to the videos. Like, bro, this thing speeds, that's crazy. That's just MDM though. That ain't even traction. I'm trying to warm the tires up because they're only at 63 degrees. Woo! Ooh-wee. Huh. I know exactly where I'm at. That's why stuff look familiar. Be having to drive like I got common sense now. But yeah, hey, I know exactly where I'm at now. I be having to drive like I got common sense. Thought she wanted to smoke with me. Bro, I hate this light. Bro, why don't they put an arrow right here by this light? You know what I'm saying? Yo, I'm sorry, this is gonna be a chill POV. I ain't gonna lie. Raining. And I already hate driving the rear-wheel drive car in the rain. It's over with. If I had the M5, I can have a little fun, but no. Maybe tomorrow, if it's raining, we'll do a drift in every corner. But right now, no way. Oh, go! Oh, go with him! Go! Damn, you just maxed it. Golly. car has no grip. Bro, like, this car is insane. You ain't gotta slow down like that. Now I'ma ride your ass even more. Just to piss you off. I hate when people brake for no reason. You're lucky the rain just got heavy, so I gotta chill. I'm about to be the biggest back that ever back. Oh, it's a cop. Man, that's scary. Look, those Caesars right there. But if I park my M2 right there, people will be like, you're entitled. You think you can do that because you drive an M2? He just did it in Nissan. But y'all just put a label on it because I'm not in a Nissan. It's cool though. I understand it. Dang, bro. Let's go run in here and grab my din. She should pull up one. Who is you looking at, sir? All right, y'all. I'm soaking freaking wet. Soaking freaking wet. Training cats, dogs, horses, mouses, everything. We got the Little Caesars and the Public sub. We about to go ahead and head home. Let's get this drive on, y'all. Oh, we're at 2199 miles. We finna hit 2200 miles, y'all. Ain't that's a milestone, bro. We really drive this car, bro. But I love driving this car. I ain't gonna lie. This car is like fun. I wish there was more done to it, but hey, y'all ain't even gotta count on that. I got a kid. Oh, what the U-Haul doing? He maxing it. You would have hit my car. Oh my goodness, I would have put you on a t-shirt. Oh, where you going? Oh, slow down. Damn, now I can't see. I'm going, bro. Oh! What I didn't even mean to slide. And the tires got like cooled down. They're not warm no more. It's maxed. It's maxed, y'all. It's maxed. Anyways, man. Yeah, we got our dinner though. Time to head to the crib. I ain't gonna lie, I'm probably about to end the video. It's raining. I'm not about to cut up with all this food in my car. I'm not about to drive crazy. It should be raining tomorrow, so tomorrow I think we're gonna do a better POV. I got a lot of stuff to do tomorrow, a lot of errands to run. So that being said, man, I'll probably, hold on, let me give y'all a little pull. It just bogged down. It didn't even do, oh, I was about to say, are we even an M2? Y'all. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm done with that. I ain't gonna lie. But tomorrow I'll give y'all a better POV. I just want to update y'all. I'm back home from the hospital. Oh! Oh, what the world? I didn't even see that puddle of water. I'm sweet. Yeah. Hey, back home from the hospital, back home, man. Thank y'all for all the congratulations. Thank y'all for everything that y'all have done for me. The videos will get better, but I think we're about to start doing more vlogs instead of POVs, because I ain't gonna be driving crazy, man, and I know y'all probably don't like the crazy drives. I got about 3 more drive crazy videos, and then it's gonna be probably vlogs. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. We'll see though. We'll see, because you know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? Anyway, man, I love y'all, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.